You know, if they haven't got an office in Australia, I'd be asking questions. And you know, if you're getting a 25-year or a 30-year performance warranty, it's not really worth the paper it's written on. So you would be very hard pressed after that product warranty has run out to claim on the performance warranty. It's a bit of a smoke and mirrors sort of trick with the solar industry, but actually claiming that warranty on a performance basis could be very difficult, especially if the manufacturer is no longer in Australia. It could be very, very difficult to claim. So it's a long-term investment. You might as well do it once, do it properly. And people are starting to get more switched on about the quality of the system. So if you've got an expensive house with a cheap system on it, it could almost reduce the value of your property. So it makes sense for resale value, warranty, makes sense to go with the quality. At the moment, I would say in South Australia, with the current rates, you're looking at a return on investment on a quality system of that between 3 and 3.5 years we see quite regularly. So it's not a long return on investment.